Welcome to Tech and Stuffs. I'm Modest Wilton. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like, and share. Today's objective: creating a screenshot program using Python. Let's begin. Okay, first you're gonna create a folder on your desktop called ScreenShot. Just right click on your desktop, tap a new on a folder, and you rename the folder as screenshot because that's what we're gonna be working on. Okay, now double click into the folder. We're gonna go inside of it. Okay, from here, right click in the folder and go to show more and then type open with Visual Studio Code. That's what we'll be using for our programming. Okay, I'm assuming you already know how Visual Studio Code works. So right now, we're gonna tap on new terminals because we have to install some Python modules. Okay, here we're gonna install a virtual environment where we can run our programs with. So we'll start on pip install /viv virtual environment vnv. So I haven't actually, I've already installed mine, so it's showing I already did, but it's showing some errors because I'm recommending you to go like install yours too when you want to do the program. And if you have any errors here, you could actually do yours again, like research online. Okay, so here we're going to do Python -m dev system. Okay, this is me creating my virtual environment. So after installing it, you create yours. So as you can see here, a new folder just popped up. Let me zoom in. Okay. So see right up here, a new folder just popped up saying my that's the virtual environment that we just created. Okay, while it's installing, I'll just create while it's still like trying to accumulate everything, I'll just create a file called the file for the program. So it's a Python file. I'm gonna tap save it and rename it as my screenshot. Okay, now tap save. Okay, so now we're gonna begin by installing some modules too. So after installing the virtual environment, now we install the module for the screenshot. It's called pyautogui. It's a very good module for this type of program. It automates the screenshots. Okay, so we're gonna do pip install pyautogui. Okay, so it's gonna take a while for it to install, but while it's doing that, we're gonna start writing the code. Okay, so we're gonna head up to the script where to write the script. We're gonna import pyautogui and import time too. Yeah, that's the most important because we're gonna do time management, like when how long the screenshot takes for screenshots. Now we're gonna create a function called screenshot where we're gonna write our program inside for easy accessing and all of that. Okay, so creating a function called screenshot, we're gonna include the time. So we're gonna put time in slip for 5 seconds. I'm gonna use 5 seconds because but first let me write a comment just indicating that this place is to delay the screenshot. Okay, deleting the screenshot. I'm gonna write say deleting the screenshot. Okay, now I'm gonna put the time delaying. Alright, I'm gonna put a time of 5 seconds, minimum 5 seconds. We're gonna take 5 seconds before it actually takes its screenshot. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the next step. That I'm looking for the location of it. They're like making a location of where the screenshot is gonna be in. So first we're gonna create this variable called pyautogui.screenshot. This is what screenshots your screen. Like this is the main automation in the code. So it's create a variable. You can change it as picture or anything. So I'm gonna use img because it's like the basic thing. Now I'm gonna make another variable for location now. Okay, so Have I'm gonna use a comment saying making the location of the screenshot. Now here I'm gonna make a new folder called screenshot. Here I'm gonna like copy the path. So this is where each time we do every screenshot, it's gonna go to. It's gonna go every single time there. Now downwards, we're gonna make a new variable called name. The name we're gonna use for codes. I'll just use a comment say creating random names. Yeah, we're gonna use int like we're gonna make so this part it's going to make random names using numbers, so you don't actually have to automate names all the time. So randomly do it for you. So I'll use in round and time on time. It's a function that actually like records the time when your program starts, but I'm gonna use it as an advantage to multiply it by 1000. I'll multiply it by 1000 so it actually okay, it looks like this thing is installing. Yeah, by 1000, so it just makes random names with numbers. Okay, so now I'm gonna start by reinitializing the name. I'll still use the same name, like make a new variable called name using name. But I haven't put the hashtag, so I'm gonna cancel this. Cancel. Okay, now put hashtag. You can see down here the 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 module is installing. Okay, so I'm gonna reinitialize the variable. So I'm gonna name it as name again. Now I use quotes. In quotes, I paste the path I copied. And now in this aspect, this part, this is the most important part. All right, you change the backward slash to forward slashes. This is very important, so please do it. So change them like I'm doing right now. Okay, you're gonna change them. All right, here we go. I'm almost done with them. Almost done, and good. Now we're gonna put a curly bracket. That's like to hold the function that we're going to need. Now creating the curly bracket, we're gonna put .png, the name of the image. You put it GPT or any of them, but this one is like the most the most associatable. That's just dope. Okay, now the format, the name. So we're saying that it should be in the format of a picture, and it should be named as the name initialized up in the first name variable. All right, so now I'm gonna cut the time interval and put it down so it actually automates before the screenshot is taken. All right, now I'm just gonna put image.show. Yeah, image to show is like it shows a screenshot after that. Now I'm gonna run just write the dictionary so the program can actually just run. So screenshot, and that's it. So I'm gonna come down now to the terminal to try to run it using the terminal. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna. Oh, one more thing. I haven't activated the virtual environment, so I'm gonna activate it. I'll type I'll cancel my environment /scripts /activate ps1 scripts activate ps1. That's activating the virtual environment. It's very important so your project stays inside of it. Okay, so I'm just gonna activate it now. I'll try to run the program again. Okay, still didn't work. Oh, now I have to install the pyautogui again in the terminal. So I'll try to install it again inside the virtual environment. Okay, here we go. Let me save the program first. Alright, so just ignore the things, there's things popping up. Alright, it doesn't actually make sense. It's just something called black. Just ignore them. Alright, now I'm going to type pip install pyautogui python and so that python -m pip install pyautogui. Let's take these things out. Okay. GUI. Alright. So it's installing. Give it a moment or two. Okay, that's it. It's installed. Now I'll try to run the program again using the terminal, but I'll advise you not to use the terminal. I don't think it actually works in the terminal. Oh, you see, it doesn't work in the terminal. So just tap the play button right here, the run button right here. Just this one right here. Here. Just tap it and you see screenshot. Here we go. Boop. I'll just change the time so it should be 2 seconds, maybe 1. So it's okay, here it goes, and that's it. That's a screenshot right there. Okay, that's a screenshot. I'll screenshot it again so you verify it is working perfectly. So I'll screenshot. It takes 1 second to screenshot. That's it. Alright, hope you enjoyed it. You could go formulate yours and add some new functionalities. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and like the video for more updates.